Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EPQA. My name is Abhimanyu Singh and today I am going to tell you how you can create a neural network using MATLAB, and once your neural network has been created, then how you can predict your answers. So I am going to create a neural network for my EDM machine. So I have 4 input data and 2 output data. IP is the input peak current for EDM machine. T on is for how long the EDM machine is going to work. T off is off time. PC is powder concentration. MRR is material removal rate. SR is surface roughness. Go to MATLAB in workspace, create input. Double click it to open. Copy the values of your 4 inputs over there. And paste it. Then do transpose. In workspace, now create target. Double click it to open. Copy the value of answers of MRR and SRR in target. Now again we have to transpose them. Now in workspace, create sample. Sample will contain those input values for which we don't know the answers, and we will predict them using neural network. Copy these inputs. Paste it. And transpose again. Now in command window, write nn tool. First we will import our data. In input data, input. In target data, target. Again in input data, sample. Close. Now we will create our neural network. In input, give input. In target, give target. For other parameters, if you want to know further details, go to our website technovisionary.co.in. The link will be given in the description box. Change this tanzip to logzig and check for layer 2. It should be tanzig. Yes. Now create. Your network is being created. Open. You can see 4 inputs and 2 outputs. 4 inputs and 2 outputs. Now do the training. In input, give input. In target, give target. Go to training parameters. Give maximum pay fail as 1000 and reduce some of the zeros of MUmax. Then train your network. Check your regression curve. Regression curve has come very nice. So now you can simulate. In input, give sample and here write predicted. simulate your network and press OK. Here you can see the answers have come for those input data for which we cannot calculate the answers directly. In case your regression curve doesn't come nice, then change these parameters in train, either increase or decrease the values of zeros over here, or increase it to 8 and then check. Your regression curve will come more perfect. If it again does not come, then keep on changing these parameters and bring your regression curve nicely. Then only simulate, else your predicted answers will be wrong.